Hello YouTubers, and welcome to the dealsprime.com review channel. Today we're going to be doing a first look review, and it's going to be for the Onda V989 Air, and this is the octa-core model, 32GB ROM. And in this review we're just going to go over the box specs, show you the build of the unit, and then the accessories. I want to remind you guys to like our video, also subscribe to the dealsprime.com review channel. And so here it is, it's the V989 Air. And this model is a little bit cheaper than the non-Air version. Basically the Air has a lower megapixel camera on the back. It's 2 megapixel, and the non-Air model is actually out of production. So it also has a 32GB ROM upgrade from 16 gigabytes, and A83T octa-core CPU clocking in about up to 2 gigahertz, so that's another upgrade. So it has the T, or the turbo version, so it's a little bit faster. So this has a PowerVR SGX 544 GPU, and 2GB RAM, 32GB ROM, Bluetooth 4.0, supports Ethernet, but you need an adapter, and a 3.3 megapixel camera on the front, 2 megapixel camera on the back, Android 4.4, which should be the latest. It should be 4.4.4, which is another upgrade, and it supports some of these files like HTML5 and player. And it looks like it comes with a one tablet PC and a USB cable and a charger. So we'll show you the build of the unit, and then we'll show you the accessories. Again, I want to remind you guys to like our video, also subscribe to the dealsprime.com review channel. And so right here we have a power/sleep button. So I just now pressed volume up, volume down. This looks like a pinhole reset button, so if you need to do a hard reset for any reason, make sure to first back up all your files, and then you can gently press that button. Dual speakers, micro USB port, and let's see what we have up here. So a micro SD card slot. It's integrated into the back of the unit. Then to the left of this, we have cover thing, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, and again 2 megapixel camera right there. So pretty simple design, nice, and you can see nice and slim, has nice little bezel there, chrome. And yeah, okay, so we'll show you the accessories, and then we'll just show you some of the settings. So pretty simple design on the box. It just says 9.7-inch screen. Well, we won't be including this inner carton part. We're going to actually make sure that the screen is protected with the bubble wrap, so we're going to remove this stuff when we ship. And here we can see it has a wall charger, a USB charger, and a data cable to connect to the computer or to this wall charger. So I just want to remind you guys, when you do order from Deals Prime and you're you're in the US, sorry, Australia, the UK, or Europe, it will come with your country's power plug adapter free. Again, only from dealsprime.com. And if you're in a country that uses the flat pin, then we'll include that, the US style or Canadian. Okay, so pretty simple on the accessory front. Now when you order from Deals Prime, in the order notes section during checkout, you can ask us to please include the free YouTube promo gift. Now I'll just add this V989 Air to your cart. Proceed to checkout through our website. Don't click the checkout with PayPal. Just log in and check out through our site, and you'll be able to see the order notes section. Nice $10 value. So we'll only include this if you ask us to please include the free YouTube promo case, and you can do that inside the comment section during checkout. It's actually called the comment section. But pretty much the same thing, right? So this is go into this unit and check it out. Okay, so this has like a lot of apps pre-installed, and you can see it has its own kind of custom UI. So we have a Wi-Fi, I think, a Wi-Fi connector icon, Clean Master, File Explorer, which is kind of just kind of like a file manager. And here we have some looks like downloads, navigation. So this is a GPS, a map. This is system apps. So as you can see inside, the apps are English, but these files have Chinese names. So we do have full Play Store on there, and I think some of these apps are going to be mainly Chinese, but you have a video player, 4K player. We'll actually play some of this. So I think the screen, it's actually 2048 by 1536 for the, 2048 by 1536. So high resolution screen, and this basically has a 178-degree viewing angle. So you can hear it's a nice loud speaker there. So you can kind of see so nice little player there. Okay, and we'll go through the settings to show you some of the pre-installed apps. So just check out storage real quick. So 2 gigabytes RAM with about 1.5 gigabytes free, 32 gigabyte ROM with about 22 there, but we'll actually check through the apps and see what we can see here. So looks like 22 plus, we have 1.5 here, so 1.5 plus 22, so about 23.5. The running, we see the RAM, so about 1 gigabyte free for the RAM. And then looks like 1.5 gigabytes. So we'll scroll through all these apps. Again, you can take this time to like our video. Also subscribe to the dealsprime.com review channel. So Play Store, quite a few apps, and you can actually delete any of the apps that you don't need just to free up some space. Android 4.4 operating system, 4K player, camera, and let's check out about tablet. So Android 4.4.4, and you can see this was the latest firmware version. Let's check out language and input just for all of our international viewers. Now these will ship preset to English, so you should be able to configure it to your language very easily. Okay, so this just about wraps up this review. We're gonna try to. Our router was having an issue. We had to reset it, so we'll see. Yeah, it's working now. So once you get the Deals Prime, you can do a search for V989, or again, there is a link to this inside of our YouTube video description that links directly to the Air. And we can see the desktop version. This is actually the mobile version that it goes to. Now again, only the V989 Air version is in stock. The older version, the non-Air version, is no longer in production. So yeah, you can just do a search here for V989, and I think we have it listed twice. So the older model has been changed to the Air version as well. So, and we have it here. So this is the newer listing. So you can see it's a little bit cheaper. It's $184.99, $184.49. And it's a pretty straightforward. Again, we have the full listing on. So we have to update that to 2 megapixel actually for the camera. And the rest looks like it's pretty much, so it looks like it maybe 1.8 gigahertz is what it may clock it in out of the box. So again, it's rated. The CPU is rated at 2 gigahertz, but you probably need a custom ROM. So we have the correct camera specs there. Okay, so we actually maybe go to a couple other sites just to show off the octa-core CPU. Okay, so loads pretty fast, and let's go to a couple other sites. You can see the nice wide viewing angle on that. Okay, so this just about wraps up this review. I want to remind you guys to like our video, also subscribe, and when you do order from Deals Prime, make sure to ask for the free YouTube promo case, and we'll include it with this shipment. And there will be a link to this V989 Air inside of our YouTube video description. Thanks for watching.